Yo, what's going on, guys? So, guys, today we are updating our analysis. Seems like we analyzed too soon, so today we're just updating our analysis. So, we will be checking out gold, silver, and Nasdaq USDT. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get into it. First of all, go to your 4-hour time frame. You know the drill. You know the vibes. Anyways, bro. Okay, yeah. 4-hour time frame and zoom until you find your current highest point, and zoom until you find your current highest point, which is right here, right? Are you kidding me right now? You know, Wi-Fi already. Okay, find your current highest point, which is right here, right? And then go to your 24 hours to find your current lowest point. I'm gonna show you my current lowest point now. Oh, no. Let me just remove this and draw a line right here. This is my current lowest point, right? And then draw a trend line. We're just updating the markets, guys. Nothing too serious, nothing too personal, you know. And on Monday, guys, the analysis actually went in profit, you know. Nasdaq bought on Monday, gold bought, USDT it sold, but we caught the movement because we are trading at 3:30. I mean 3 o'clock. So we actually caught the movement, guys, because we just adjusted with the time, and then we adjust with the market, and then boom, we moved our take profit, I mean our stop loss and stuff, we entered and stuff, you know. But then draw a trend line like this, your highest point, your current lowest point. Now it's your supply like this, and your demand. It's close to my signal time. I have to send the signal soon, so let's just check on the market, you know. So your analysis should look like this on your daily time frame. So go back to your 4-hour time frame, guys. Go back to your 4-hour time frame, and let's see what we have here. Nice. So in the 4-hour time frame, we will tackle this with supply and demand, I mean support and resistance, you know what I mean. So check this out. Draw a resistance right here. Oh, bad idea. But yeah, I think I didn't do anything. So draw a line right there, right? And then draw a line right here. This is the past, by the way. So let's just draw it right there, right? So now we have our playground. We are focused inside this playground, you know. So what you need to do is just draw another line right here. I don't want my lines to be as many as possible, so I'll just draw it right here instead of right here, and then draw your current lowest point, which is right here. Now mark this one as your resistance, current resistance, right? Then mark the other one as your current support, just like this. Now move down to your 1-hour time frame. But me, I see buys, guys. I don't know about you. I see buys on gold. Let's just see. I see buys on gold because check this out, guys. We have a trend line going like this, right? And we actually retested this trend line. I will show you how we retested the trend line, but then another trend line going like this, and then just draw a line here that will act as your support, right? We just broke out the support, came back down to retest, just like I said on the other video, on the previous video. You should watch that too. You should watch that too, guys. We said the market is actually doing like this. We said the market is buying like this, coming back down to retest, and then shooting for more buying opportunities, right? So I would say it is a buy on gold, because check this out, we're still in a resistance. Even if we cater this high right here, let me just remove this. We cater this high right here, we draw a rectangle that will calculate, that will help us find our stop loss. Yeah, it's calculating, eh? No, sometimes. But then, just like this, guys, we're actually going where the trend line started. It started here, we broke above, we retested. Now I'm saying it's a buy. Around 3 o'clock I have to send the signal. Let's go silver. Silver, it's XAG, ne? XAG USD. Silver, yeah, there it is. So we're seeing buys on gold, right? And we're supposed to see buys on silver. But silver, hey, 4-hour time frame. Silver is selling. Is it our highest? Oh yeah, it is. So let's just draw a line right there, right? This is your current highest point, or should I say highest point? Yeah, 24 hours. Where's my line? Where's my trend line actually? Oh, okay. I see my trend line right here, guys, on silver. I see my trend line right here, starting right here and then going up. Check, check, check. So draw a line on this low right here. Not this one, but this one. This one right here, right? And then I think we'll have a perfect trend line going like this. Yes, yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. This is actually a perfect trend line. So silver is showing me buys. We have to touch over the top trend line, and we have a diagonal double bottom. So this is just fake to me. That's just fake. But if it's wrong, then it's wrong, and we win and lose in this game. And then just draw a line on this touch over here. Just draw a line there, going like this, right? And then, oh, what's up now? Yeah, just like this, and then draw your supply and your demand. Clean, clean, clean. Now our daily time frame looks like this. We are happy. Let's go down to our 4-hour time frame. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What do we have here? We obviously have to look for a trend line, right? And or I already see a trend line, but I didn't want to like see this trend line. But yeah, I wasn't expecting this trend line. But check this out, guys. Check this out. Check this out. You can even include this outside touch right here if you want to. If you are like me, I include things if they will help me see the movement. Yeah, I will include that. But then this is what I have for you guys on silver. Draw your support, right? Then just highlight it as your support, just like this. So if 3 o'clock knocks and we're still above this, I'm buying, guys. But if not, if it's around here, then I'm selling, right? So I would say it is a buy. Yeah, we have potential buys on silver, guys. We have potential buys on silver. Let me just zoom in to our 1 hour time frame so we can see very, very, very clearly. And let me see if I can like squeeze a trend line right. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the market is actually retesting this. It's actually retesting this support. So we might have a double bottom right here, guys. Right, we might have a double bottom right here because as you can see, we drew a trend line and we're not at the other side of the trend line. We're actually above this trend line, you know. So I'm gonna say it is a buy. We have potential buys. So that's one confirmation for me to actually buy, or one confirmation, confirmation two, confirmation one, confirmation two. Just like this, we're going up here. Why am I saying we're going up there? Because this trend line is showing us that the market will break the other trend line, this trend line right here. It will actually break it and touch somewhere here. So I'm gonna say it is a buy, but I won't be adding this because yeah, it's unneat. It is a buy, guys. Let's check out Nasdaq. Let's check out Nasdaq. Nas 100. Nas 100. I see buys on Nas 100, guys. Let me check the time. Okay, it's like 4 minutes left for me to actually send the signal. 4 hours. And then right now I'm teaching you guys how to do sniper entries. 3 o'clock, by the way, that's the secret. 3 o'clock on the dot, new candlestick, you buy or you sell. Draw a line on your highest point and then go to your daily time frame. No, 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours. And then just draw a line right here and then draw a trend line right there. Just updating our analysis right now. We gotta have a clean analysis always. If the market chooses to disrespect your analysis, that means you analyzed too early for the week, you know. Sometimes that's why I don't like I don't like analyzing during the week. During the weekends, you know. But then this is what we have on Nasdaq, guys. Just draw a line on this low right here, and that's your supply and demand. Let's just draw it real quick. Supply and demand, just like this, clean. Go down to your 4-hour time frame. I think we have a trend line, a beautiful one, Footy. Yeah, this is the line. So draw a line right here. This is the low. You have to draw a line right here, guys. Right here, right here. Not there, not there, but right here. Let's just zoom in and then draw your trend line. What I did in the daily time frame, I'm doing it in the 4-hour time frame. What I'm doing in the 4-hour time frame, I'll do it in the 1-hour time frame. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. But then this is what I see, guys. I see a line over here, right? This will represent as your support. Let's just highlight it because it feels like it's a current support zone. So now we are in here. We are in here. And right now I see the market touching day, right? So the daily time frame is showing me buys. The 4-hour time frame is showing me buys. Let's check the 1 hour. The 1-hour time frame is showing me buys. How do I see the buys? Check this out, guys. Let me check here. Let's start with a trend line like this. It is a breakout, but it's okay. I won't draw a trend line. Don't force your trend lines, guys. I'll just attack this with a support and resistance. Let me just draw my current support and my current resistance, just like this. And right now I see a touch over here with big momentum, double bottom, broke out, we retest, right? So double bottom, breakout, retest, it is a buy. Let's just draw this rectangle that will help us determine our stop loss. Me, I always draw these things, guys, because it helps me. I don't know about you. Just comment down below that, like, just comment down below if this thing helps you too, ne? So draw a line right here, and then yeah, below this rectangle. That's how I cater my stop loss. And then just like this, you will be eating. This is what I see on Nasdaq. I feel like Nasdaq is shooting up, guys. We have a double bottom, right? We broke out of that double bottom, of that neckline. Yeah, you know what I mean. We broke out of the neckline. We came back down to retest, creating current support, and now we in a current support. And obviously, when we buy on support, guys. We buy on support. I won't just like, yeah, you know what I mean? Hey. But then, yeah, this is what I have on Nasdaq, guys. This is what I have on Nasdaq. I wonder why they thought rushing part of my. But then this is what I see. And I'm about to send the signal. What's the time? Okay. Let me just relax. Must send it around 3 o'clock. Or yeah, must I send it now? Yeah, man. We just send it now. Let's just go into US30. Let's just go into US30 and let me send the signal. Oh, okay. So US30 is already analyzed, but I'ma just renew it. You know, I'ma just renew, even though it's actually a clean analysis. But let me just remove 20 drawings, go down to 4-hour time frame, and send a pen and draw your current highest point, just like this. Easy peasy. 24 hours. Yeah, done. The signal is out, guys. We have a buy on gold, buy US30, and buy Nasdaq. So I feel like, yeah. Hey, remove when we're in the daily time frame now. Let's just find the low, and that will help us draw a trend line, a perfect trend line, that is to say. Draw a line over this low right here, right? And draw another trend line going like this. Yeah. And then draw another trend line going like this, right? And then draw a line on this low right here, guys. Make sure it's this low right here. Draw your support, your supply, and then draw your resistance, just like this. Then go back to your 4-hour time frame. Where is our trend line? Okay, where was this trend line? I think it was this one, this low right here. Let's check. Draw a line on this low right here, guys. Oh no, sorry. On this low right here. Yeah, this is the low. So draw a line on this low right here. What? Yeah, just like this, right? And then draw a trend line going like this, and a trend line from there to there. Then now we focus what's inside, right? We focus on what's inside. So draw a line just like this, and I feel like analyzing Bitcoin is a bonus because last time we couldn't like analyze Bitcoin. So after this, I think it's Bitcoin, guys. We will see. We will see. We will see. Just mark it as your support, just like this. And then zoom into a 1 hour time frame. Always remember to scale down, guys. Me, I analyze better when I scale down. From the daily down to the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, that's when I find my entries. When do I enter? Around 3 o'clock. New York session, you know. Not exactly when New York session opens, but then I just wait a couple of minutes, you know. Draw a trend line going like this. And another trend line going like this. I feel like doing a video for complete beginners whereby I start everything and just explain everything, how to find a good broker. My good broker is Xnet, guys. That's the best broker. If you want to join the best broker, make sure you click the link in my description, and you know, you'll just apply there and register, you know what I'm saying? But then on USDT, guys, I see sells at the same time I see buys. We have to touch here. We don't have a touch over here. So I think this breakout is actually fake. This one right here. This breakout is actually fake. So what I'm gonna do, right, since we have a gap over here, I'm saying we won't be touching over here 3 times because we have a touch, and I'll consider this as a touch, and 3 times no, let's just do this because we have a high over here and we're currently retesting this high. So I'm gonna say this is our current resistance. I mean, this is our current support, just like this, and the market is actually buying. Let me just zoom in for entries now. Long positions. And guys, make sure you comment down below on what you want me to help you with. If you are struggling with something, make sure you comment down below. I'ma help you. I am active on the comment sections, guys. You can ask anything and I'll be there to help you guys. But this is what I see on USDT. So it's buy USDT, buy Nasdaq, buy silver, and buy gold. You know what I'm saying? Let's check out what is this? Bitcoin, BTC USD. BTC USD, crypto. BTC USD. It's been a while since I analyzed the Bitcoin. Shit, I got a running nose. It's affecting my content now. Go down to your 4 hour time frame. Bitcoin is a little different though. I would say Bitcoin is a little different. Find this high right here and just draw a line on that high right here. Yeah, people entered and one is happy. Oh, so we're already taking the direction. Let me check. Yeah, we're already taking the direction. Okay. We might have a good day today. Yesterday was a good day, but yeah, yesterday was a good day, but we lost on USDT only. But it's okay. It's okay. We can't cry. Let's just go down to our 24 hours this time. We can't cry about it, guys. We have to move on. Okay, Bitcoin, what do we have here? How can I find a perfect trend line? And guys, check this out. I don't want to rush things, but check this out. I know this is not part of the analysis strategy, But if you draw a line right here, you can actually see we're retesting this part right there. But I'm gonna just stay disciplined and continue my analysis. So I feel like drawing a line right here, guys. Never mind that week, just draw a line on this one right here, so you can draw a perfect trend line. So my perfect trend line goes like this, and like this, guys. So Bitcoin is still showing us potential buys, but what if Bitcoin sells today? You can never know, guys. So we have to, like, please, we have to draw a line right here, guys. So please draw a line right there on your current lowest point, right? So let's just zoom in so you guys can see very clearly in our 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So we will be focusing on this movement right here. If the market breaks below this, then I'm gonna take sales, but now I see buys, guys. So let's just draw our supply. Sorry about that, guys, I got a little distracted. That's why I'm drawing my supply in the 4-hour time frame instead of the daily time frame. But we still have our supply and demand, just like this, guys. This is supply and demand. Then draw a trend line from there going down like this. Then from here going up like this. And then now we can actually see where we're going. Let me just zoom into our 1-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, the market is showing us more selling opportunities, but I think it's actually fake. I don't know why today I think this way, but I feel like there's a catch, you know what I'm saying? So let's find the catch, guys. How do you find the catch? Do this. Go down to a 1-hour time frame. From here, from this high right here, just draw a line right there. And from this low right, this low right here, just draw a line going like this, guys. And then draw a line right here. Bitcoin is a little complicated, so I'm gonna say, sorry, it's a little complicated, guys, so excuse my lines, but we had to. You see, this is what I got, guys. It's fake. Now I see buys. So the daily time frame is showing me sells. The 4-hour time frame is showing me sells, but the 1-hour time frame is showing me short-term buys. So I'm gonna take the short-term buys because today's movement is actually buys. You know what I'm saying? So if the daily time frame is showing you sells, that means it's long-term sales. If the 4-hour time frame is showing you buys, that means you should buy and hold for 1 day. And then in the 1-hour time frame, it's actually low-key scalping. You know what I'm saying? Low-key scalping. So this is what I have for you guys. This is Bitcoin. I feel like Bitcoin is touching the top of our trend line. So I'm gonna just enter for buys right here. I'm gonna just enter for buys right here. And see what the market has for us. It's already 3 o'clock, and right now the market is respecting everything. Check this out. I don't know if you see, but the market is respecting everything we have, guys. Everything we have, everything we analyzed, the market is respecting. Let's just check on Bitcoin. But then, guys, I'll end the video here, and please subscribe and check out my other video right here. Comment on what you want me to analyze next, and comment on what you want me to analyze next.